G'day ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls and everyone in between. Welcome, welcome, welcome to you. Welcome to howtoplaythesax.com. Here at howtoplaythesax.com we are all about having fun, playing saxophone, being awesome and repeating. Now, in today's lesson, I wanted to go down the having fun path. Having fun is really important when you're playing the saxophone. It really is. Having fun, playing saxophone, being awesome and repeating. Yes, having fun's the important bit. So with that in mind, today, while we're playing our saxophones and being awesome, we are going to do the time warp. Yes, let's do the time warp again. Hands up who's done the time warp before. Hands up who has seen the Rocky Horror Picture Show. Good Rocky Horror Picture Show. Very strange movie. But it's got some great songs. It's got a young Susan Sarandon. It's got a young Meatloaf. It's just got some incredible stuff. It's very odd. So may I suggest, if you've got a party hat or some sunglasses, maybe you've got some fishnet stockings, maybe you've got some high heels or some tap shoes. We'll come to that later on in the song. But if you've got any kind of strange paraphernalia, maybe a feather boa perhaps, ladies, gentlemen, boys and girls and everyone in between, let us do the time warp again. Okay, with that out of the way, I'm very excited about this one. This is a lot of fun. Okay, let's do the time warp again. The main riff. This is the important part of the whole song. Just have a listen. This is the important part. It sounds like... Yeah, let's do the time warp again. That's the important bit. That is the takeaway from this lesson. If you can play that at the right points, everything else is a bonus. Cool. So those notes, let's do the time warp again with our register key. Should point out there's a lot of screaming, there's a lot of register keys happening in this song. Most of the notes are with register keys. So we've got with register key F sharp, E, E, G sharp, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp. One more time. F sharp, E, E, G sharp, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp. Yeah, let's do the time warp again. Can you join in with me? Let's do the time warp again. Let's slow it down just a little bit. 1, 2, 3, ha. Again. All right, this is good. Let's do it a little bit faster. Let's do the time warp again. 2, 1, 2, 3, ha. Cool, this is good. Let's do the time warp again. Sweet. That's the important bit of the song out of the way. Funny that you should mention it. Also below there's a link to download the cheat sheet. So please download the cheat sheet. And that, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and everyone in between, is the time warp. Now is a good time to join in with the Rocky Horror Show. Let's just do the main riff. Let's just do the main riff. We'll get the speed and we'll get the feel of it. Yeah, let's just do that. Here we go. Are you ready? I'll call it.
The black pit within me!
And the void will be calling. I 1, 2, ready now. And again. All right.
It's just a jump to the left.
It's just a jump to the left. How did you go with that one? It's very quick, isn't it? You can hear the guitar. This song, may I suggest, this is tricky. This is really, really fast. This is really fast. There's really lots of tonguing. There's a few notes that all kind of fit in together, but when you nail it, it is so much fun. I love this song. I was in a band years ago and we did an awesome version of this and a couple of other Rocky Horror songs too, but really cool, really cool. It's just a jump to the left. It's so dreamy. Fantasy freemy. So we
can't see me.
no, not at all, not at all, not at all.
In another dimension.
Got voyeuristic intention. Ha, well secluded.
I see all.
With a bit of a mind flip.
You're into the time slip.
Nothing can ever be the same. Na 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 na. Your face out on sensation. Getting ready for our riff. I want to ready now. All right, tap dancing. Keep tap dancing. Keep going. Getting ready for our chorus. Ready? 1, 2, ready now. Down, down, and we all fall down, and we all fall down, and we're all gone. Say something. Say something. Cool, how was that? I enjoyed that. I had far too much fun here with you, obviously, but there's not a lot of people here in the room with me. So I've had a lot of fun. I hope that you have had a lot of fun too. But the key is have fun. Play saxophone, be awesome, repeat. But I emphasize, have fun. It's really hard to do the time warp while you've got a sax in your mouth, but please, give it a go. If you've got some tap shoes, give it a go. Please have heaps of fun with this song. Slow it down is my suggestion, but do it again and do it a couple of times and build up to doing it at full speed. You will be fine. You are awesome. You are awesome. What are you? You are awesome. That's exactly right. My name's Matthew. Thank you so much for joining me here inside the members area at howtoplaythesax.com. I will see you next time, and we'll have some more fun, and we'll play some more saxophone, and we'll be awesome, and we'll just repeat, and it'll be good. It'll be good. Fantastic. Thank you. I'll see you next time. Thanks. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and everyone in between. Thanks heap for joining me in this free saxophone lesson. Please, just want to remind you, if you are looking for the full lesson, we've left a little bit out of this lesson you've just done. If you're looking for the full lesson, please become a member at howtoplaythesax.com, and I'll see you inside the members area for this full lesson and many, many, many others. I'll see you at howtoplaythesax.com. My name's Matthew. Thank you. I'll see you in another lesson.